Hey little kids, today I will learn you how to color a picture. Here I draw a very beautiful picture for you. I draw a big train, a helicopter and two planes. And here I draw some animals. I draw a teddy bear, a panda and a cute rabbit. So let's see how I color it. Now I'm coloring the train engine. Here I'm using deep blue, light blue, deep green, red and yellow color. I'm using deep brown color for the wheels. And here I am using blue, red and yellow color for these beautiful stars. And now I am using different types of color for the trains. You can use any kinds of color. Now it's time to color the animals. You have to make it so cute. Here I am using light pink, yellow, red, green and different types of color. I'm using red and deep green for this bear. Now I'm using deep blue color for this panda. And here I am using deep pink color for this cute rabbit. Now it's time to color the clouds. You know how to color the clouds. Clouds is always light blue color. So I am using light blue color for the all clouds. I am using grey color for this smoke. Now I am coloring the plane. I am using orange and the blue color for this plane. I am using light blue color for this upper side and the grey color for the fans. I am using something different color. Here I am using pink color, light pink color, black color, red color and green color for this helicopter. Here I am using deep pink and purple color for this plane. Wow, the picture is looking so beautiful. You should always use a border line for every picture. Now I will use here border line. It will look so attractive. I complete to color the whole picture. Now it's your time. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Bye bye.